paper mache mask. Hey kids, we all love to play with masks. So let's make a mask of our choice. Blow up a balloon and tie to close it. Tear newspaper into strips of about 1 inch or 2 inch wide and 4 inch to 8 inch long to cover half of the balloon. Paste at least 4 or 5 layers of paper and let it dry completely. Now, paint and decorate it however you like. Paste wool to make hair. Try more and more shapes like this. Your mask is ready.